My name is Wendy. I'd like to share what I like about this book, Not Talking. My favorite character in this book is Todd, because I agree with what he said about not talking contest. At first, some students thought the contest was ridiculous, stupid, and childish, but they still follow the rules because of honor system. In my opinion, it's impossible to present the science assignment with only 3 words, even to express or explain the ideas. The most impressive part of the story was when Mr. Barton actually agreed to let the students use the 3-word sentence to make a story move forward. Round and round the story went. It became fun, creative, lively, and everyone had used their words skills in new ways. The students actually managed to use their own words in a totally unexpected way to complete the story. I couldn't help laughing while I was reading that chapter. I learned what learning is not just about what's in a textbook. Of course, students learn a lot of knowledge in a textbook, but not talking allowed them to think about thinking. My favorite sentence of the book was, "Thinking and being quiet was different and good." I always love the 10 minutes after I open my eyes in the morning, because it's my special time of thinking. I think about what to do in the day and what I have learned the day before. It really rang a bell when I read it in the book. I used to hesitate to read English novels because the idea of reading a book filled with maybe several thousand English words is pretty crazy and scary, but surprisingly, the book was not as hard as I imagined it. My dream book has always Harry Potter, because I'm always into fantasies. I have read a lot of Chinese fantasy books, but I never read an English one. Maybe I can try Harry Potter next summer. Thank you.